In this lesson, we'll resize the objects and reposition them to balance the design. Let's turn all the layers off. Instead of clicking each eye to turn each one off, you can select the first one and keep the mouse down and drag down to turn off all the other layers. That's a nice little trick. Select the top layer and we're going to resize this object. You could go to Edit, Free Transform, or the shortcut key would be Command T. That's pretty easy to remember. So let's try it. Command T. We get a bounding box around the object and we can click and drag to make that object bigger. I want to put this action figure over here and press return. When we press return, it applies our transformation. If you have the select tool selected and you see the bounding box on that image already without pressing Command T, you may have the Show Transform controls checked by default. I would uncheck that. And I would uncheck the Auto Select. Auto Select, when it's checked, is if you click on an object, it'll move it. And that seems like a great option, but later on when you're trying to design and you want to select part of the image to move something on one layer, another layer is going to move. So I would have that unchecked, but it's up to you if you want to have that one checked. Let's get the Move tool at the top of the tools and let's move this layer over here. Click on the orange. Let's take the orange and put the orange over here, do a Command T to transform, and make the orange just a little bit smaller and press return. We're going to put an orange here, an apple here, and a banana behind it in the bowl. Let's turn on the banana layer and select the banana layer. Let's put the banana layer over here. That banana size is fine. We don't need to transform it. Let's turn on the apple red layer. Select the apple red layer. This apple's too small. We have to make it bigger. Do a Command T to transform to make the apple bigger. We want to make the apple the same size as the orange and press return. Now we want to be able to see the apple, so let's take that layer and drag it up over the banana layer. Remember, it's like a cake. Whatever layer is on top is the one that you're going to see first. Now the banana layer is underneath the apple red layer. This lesson will continue in the next video.